what's up? My name is Camille and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am trying a product I have wanted to get my hands on for quite some time now. For the very first time ever, I'm trying out Jones Road Miracle Balm. I don't know about you, but I feel like messing up makeup for the first time ever is so oddly satisfying. I cannot wait to get my finger in there and mess this up. But before I do that, be sure to hit that subscribe button below so that you never miss an update. If you are unfamiliar with Jones Road Beauty, this is a clean beauty line started by the makeup artist Bobbi Brown. She is no longer affiliated with Bobbi Brown Cosmetics and then went on to create this new clean beauty line called Jones Road Beauty. As a clean beauty brand, they have a do not use list of over 2,700 different ingredients. You can find it on their website, but basically a lot of the big ones that they don't use are parabens, some silicones, phthalates, and sulfates. The brand sent me actually a couple of different products to try, but I am trying this one first. I actually saw this Miracle Balm. She didn't say it at the time, but I saw Bobbi Brown using this in one of her master classes that I watched in 2020, and I was like, what is this? It looks so cool. And then recently I realized it was this Miracle Balm from Jones Road Beauty. So this is what we are getting into today. Miracle Balm comes in a handful of different colors, but the one I am trying today is this one. All right, so I am going to break the seal on this product. I'm equal parts excited but nervous because obviously once you do it, it's done. And then you can never get this perfect situation back, but I kind of love it. All right, here we go. This is a lot harder than I thought. The internet made this look much easier. There we go. So you definitely have to press hard to break the seal of this. So that's done. I feel like that was actually way less exciting than I thought it would be. This Miracle Balm, as described on the Jones Road Beauty website, is basically the solution to a no makeup look. So it says once you've broken the seal to kind of warm it up in your fingers, and then you can apply it to various places on your skin to sort of give a soft focus, glowy feel. Kind of hard to tell, but here's what it looks like on my hands. So it has a nice sheen situation to it. All right, so I'm just gonna apply it on the apples here. I would say for starters that it is very sheer. It definitely is a balm feel. So it's not super sticky, but there is some tackiness to it. My guess is that that's there so that it can grip on to your skin. I'm into personally a no makeup look. I feel like the cheeks is where I am most likely to use this. But let me try it on my eyelids just to see. When I was researching this product, there were some lukewarm reviews on it. But if I'm honest, I'm not mad at it. Look, if you are looking for a cream blush that's gonna give you heavy coverage right from the beginning, then this is not for you. I can hands down say that. But I feel like this gives me such a beautiful glow. And I'm not mad at it. I feel like my least favorite part is now I have these sticky fingers that I just need to wipe immediately. So when you use this, make sure you have a paper towel close by or something. But I feel like there's just this subtle little rosy glow on my eyelids, and then right here on the apples of my cheeks and up my cheekbone. This is the Dusty Rose color. So I would say maybe my only complaint is this looks a lot darker in the tub, jar, whatever you want to call it, than how it applies on your cheeks, and I would say that it's just more of like a sheen situation. Kind of offers like, glitter's not the right word, but a shimmery highlight, at least this color. You can tell that like it definitely doesn't deliver like a blush feel. But again, I think that's sort of the point of this Miracle Balm. Like it said on the Jones Road website, it's like that soft, focused, glowy situation, which it delivers on. I'm going to step away from the camera, kind of let it sink in for 30 minutes or so, and I will be right back and I will follow up to see how I'm feeling in a little bit. All right, I am back. I let this Miracle Balm from Jones Road Beauty sit on my skin for a little over 30 minutes just because I wanted to see how it really like melted in with my other makeup and whatnot. I have combination skin, so I get oily more in my T-zone area. I would say after having this on my face for about a half an hour, if you are more on the oily side, you're probably not going to like this product. It's a Miracle Balm, like the name says, it is a balm texture, so it's almost like a chapstick sort of Carmex consistency. So if you're on the oily side, I feel like this is gonna get you real shiny real fast, and you probably might feel like it slides down your face, which nobody wants. However, if you are on the dry side or you kind of sway in that combination area, I definitely think that it's worth a try. For me, the least desirable feeling right now is my eyelids. They feel a little heavy, so I probably won't use the Jones Road Miracle Balm on my eyelids, but I do really like how it is looking and settling in on my skin, on my cheeks, and sort of down here, right on my chin. I'm gonna bring you over here into the natural light because I want to show you the color for a second. So when I was over there in my bathroom, I actually like wasn't sure that there was really any color whatsoever. I definitely saw the sheen glow, but I didn't see a color. You can see it over here in the natural light, but it is so subtle. So again, if you're using Jones Road Miracle Balm, do not expect a like cream blush or bright color. It's meant to be super subtle. I would not recommend layering it because I think that it would just get like greasy and way too thick, but it is there, and if that's what you're looking for, I do really like it. All right, so the million-dollar question is, would I recommend this Jones Road Miracle Balm? I'm gonna go ahead and give this product a 7.5. If you have oily skin, I would probably avoid this Miracle Balm altogether just because I think that it would be way too oily for oily skin, and you'd probably feel like your product is just like running down your face. I have combination skin and it seems to have worked for me well. I think that this would be a great product to try if you have dry skin, just to add a bit of glowiness and dewiness into your complexion. For me, I think moving forward, I will be using this just along my cheekbones and maybe just like a dab on my chin and on my nose. Using this on my eyelids just felt way too heavy for me. So that is a hard pass for me. In the future, if you're looking for something with a ton of color, I would not recommend this product because, as you can see, although it provides a beautiful sheer glow, the color is super subtle, and I would not recommend building it because I think it'll just get like too heavy and almost greasy feeling. Overall though, I did really like it. So if you have seen the Jones Road Miracle Balm, you don't have oily skin, and you've been curious about it, I would definitely give it a try just to see if it works for you. I'm going to link all of the Miracle Balms by Jones Road Beauty below. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss an update. I'll see you next time. Bye.